Nina set out on a quest to find out what makes kindness best. She helped her friends and gave a hand, spreading joy across the land. Kindness means a smile or care, a hug to show that you are there. It's helping others, big or small. Kindness is the greatest call. When you see the greatest call. When you see someone in need, share your heart and plant a seed. Kindness grows where love is shown, and soon its light will brightly glow. Nina set out on a